Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.